I'm sitting in a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country standard fobic. We're going to add a key. We have the new key in ignition. You can see that the security light is blinking, so it's not programmed. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and directly program this key. It'll automatically enter the pin and program, but if you wish to pull the pin, you can also do that, but we're going to skip that point. So let's get started. We're going to go to Chrysler, Town & Country, key coding, 2014, Fobic System 1. We're going to go down to Program Key, press Enter. There's a confirmation tone. Key successfully programmed. Take the key out. Locks and unlocks. Turn the key on. Security light's on the bottom. It is out, and now it is programmed.